Hello everyone, this is Neha. In this video, I'll show you how to manage inquiries in ClassTotal. From adding a new inquiry to following up and finally converting you an admission step by step. So, let's get started. After logging into ClassTotal, go to the Forms tab from the top navigation menu. Inside Forms, click on Inquiries. Here, you'll see the list of all your inquiries along with their status, contact details, and interested batch. You can search for any inquiry and you can filter the list by status, such as new, contacted, converted, or dropped. This helps you quickly focus on the leads that need attention. And just like before, you can hold the Alt key on your keyboard to view all available keyboard shortcuts inside the software. Let's start by adding a new inquiry. Click on the Add Inquiry button. The inquiry form will open. This is a 5-step form: personal details, contact details, guardian details, academic details, and inquiry details with follow-up. In step 1, personal details, add a photo if you like, select the gender, and enter the name. The first name and surname are mandatory. In step 2, contact details, enter the mobile number, email address, and the address with PIN code autofill, exactly like in the student form. In step 3, guardian details, you can optionally add the father's and mother's details and a guardian address. In step 4, academic details, you can select the interested batch the student is inquiring about, along with their previous school, last exam, and percentage. And in step 5, inquiry details, enter the inquiry date and select the inquiry source, that is, how the student came to know about your institute. Then set the inquiry status: new, contacted, converted, or dropped. Below that, you'll find the follow-up log. Here, you can record each follow-up with the follow-up date, a remark, and the next follow-up date. You can add multiple follow-ups using the Add Follow-up button. Finally, click on Save Inquiry. ClassTotal automatically generates a unique inquiry code for every inquiry. Now let's look at how to manage an existing inquiry. Click on any inquiry from the list to open it. On the inquiry page, you'll see everything at a glance: the current status, the contact details, the interested batch, and a follow-up activity timeline showing the full history of your conversations. From here, you can directly call the student or message them on WhatsApp using the quick action buttons. To update the status or to log a new follow-up, click the Edit button at the top. Go to the last step, change the status, add a new follow-up, and save. A helpful tip: on your dashboard, ClassTotal shows you the inquiries whose follow-up is due today, so you never miss following up with a potential student. Now, when an inquiry is ready to join, you can convert it into an admission in just one click. On the inquiry page, click on Convert to Admission. ClassTotal automatically carries over all the students' details. You simply confirm the batch, and the inquiry is converted into a registered student and admission. Please note, Convert to Admission is available on the Pro plans. And if an inquiry is no longer relevant, you can scroll down on the inquiry page and archive it. Archived inquiries are hidden from your lists, but their record is safely kept. And that's it. This is how you can manage inquiries in ClassTotal from first contact all the way to admission, quickly and efficiently. Thank you for watching.